Hi guys, my name is Asan and today in this video I want to show you how you can fix your ERR GFX D3D INT error in GTA 5. So first of all, uh, I solved the error, so there is no pop-ups in my launching the GTA 5. So basically just follow me step by step what I'm doing right now. You have to go to your documents where the GTA 5 user files are stored. When you go to the documents, there is a rockstar, as you can see, and go to your GTA 5, and there is a settings, like there is a settings, and you have to right click on this and like this and click on edit. When you open the notepad file like this, and all the documents and all the codes are available here, so you have to find dx, like just press the control plus F and you have to type dx and press enter, and as you can see, this is the highlight of dx version value 2. Now change this value 2 into 0 2 into 0. Now control plus S means its file is saved. Now you have to check the run of GTA 5. So I'm going here, the games, GTA 5 and GTA 5 launcher.